me show you how to make a 3D effect in Scratch 3 or just Scratch. So first you could paint what you want your 3D object to be. I'm just gonna make a square. That's not a square. Sorry if the volume was low, my mic was not in front of my mouth. Just get a square and place it. Just gonna put this on 0, 0. Don't really need to do that, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Now we need to go over here. So go to Events, then one green flag clicked. Make a new block and name it Render 3D Repeat, and then you don't really need to put a colon there, and then click Add a numeric input saying repeat, and then another label for X, and then write X, and then here do Y, and then Y, and then direction going to be direction. So this is the block that we're gonna need. So now we click, actually also take run without screen refresh, so that'll happen immediately. Then you want to make use of this block when the game starts. Use the run without screen refresh so that it will happen it will just happen immediately instead of going slow. So in here we need it to clear graphic effects and then hide. So then we need a go to XY block, and we make it go to X, X, and go to Y, Y. And then we need to do point in direction, direction. By the way, in the block, let's make it repeat 30 times. Make an X of 0 and the Y is 0. Then make the direction 90. So then, what we need to get a repeat, which is going to do repeat. So it's basically going to do it 30 times because we had to do repeat on 30. So then we need to go here and click and get the change effect block. Need to change this to the brightness effect by -2. I said -2. And then we need to create clone of myself. And then we need to do a change Y by -1. And then you click this and you can see, yeah, that didn't work. You can't see anything because we haven't done the code for the clone. So we need to do when I start as a clone, show. And then we need to, I think, go to the back layer. So now we get this. Now it will be better if I make like a different object. So going to make a new thing. Instead I'm gonna make an arrow. Brightness, saturation, color. like that. And then we just draw an arrow. Hold the shift key. That would be perfect. Also change the outline up. Size. If this is looking too small. There. And then we can do this. Draw this here. And then do this. Oh yeah, also by the way, when I was after this video, I found an arrow sprite which I could have used. So, and there's different variants, which is left, right, up, and down. So I just clicked it, and then I added the code back like that. So then, after that, I added a background because you couldn't really see it. You can only see one arrow. So I just added a big blue background, but then it looked inverted. So I changed I tried changing the direction, like inverting it, making it -90, but that didn't do a change. So I just kept it like that. So yeah. Anyways, back to the video. Over here. So we drag this in like that. Now, okay, wait, you just move it a little bit. We zoom in. Here, zoom in. You can actually do control scroll wheel so that you can zoom in. And let's just make it smoother by getting the eraser tool. Changing the size to 1, and then just erasing this part. Wait, can I erase it? Is it erasing? Wait, why can I erase it? Can I erase it? It's erasing like a part of it. I don't know why that's happening. Let's just draw this. This is not even the correct. Oh, I get it. To get the outline color. So we just go here. We eyedrop this like that. And now we go over here and draw this. I don't really know if I could fix it that much. I don't know if so we have this. Just erase this thing over here. Wait, change this to 20. There was just a dot there. Why was that? So now we have this. Let's name this. You could just name this to 3D. You don't really need to do this. So now, let's just drag this in over here. Here's the blocks or code. So we can do this. Now we could delete this. Or I have the code in our 3D sprite. Now we click the green flag, and you get this. Now, to make it look better, we can do a forever turn 3 degrees to just spin it. And now it spins. This is already cool to watch, but let's make it so that we can control it ourselves. So get a minus and a times block and put the minus block inside of the first slot of the times block. Now you need to use key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed. And then we do 3 so that I could go faster. And then drag this into the turn. And now you use the arrow keys and it spins. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Bye! Oh, also, sorry for not showing this turn code before where I was showing the arrow sprite and not the code back. And also this is supposed to be on -2, not -1. So let's just keep it there. And this is what the finished result looks like. You use the right arrow and right and left arrow keys to turn like that. And it's kind of cool. For some reason it looked better before, actually. I don't know why. But now, actually, bye.